Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start our grammar lesson for Unit 9, the passive voice. The passive voice. Of course, you heard about it before, but today we are going to talk about it again. So, we have active voice and passive voice. Passive voice. The active voice is the sentences which we use to hear. اللي هم the sentences which are constructed by subject plus verb plus object. But it is not the same thing with the passive. So the active voice, which starts with the subject, it tells us who is the doer of the verb. بما إنه أول شيء موجود بالجملة بيكون subject الفعل، يعني we know the person who does the action. لأن إحنا بنعرف مين هو الشخص اللي قام بهذا الفعل. So tells us what a person or thing does. So the subject الفاعل performs the action on the object. So it starts with the subject, then the action that he does. بعدين الحدث أو الفعل اللي قام فيه. Like Anna painted the house. If I ask you who painted the house, it is Anna. So Anna is the subject, painted is the verb, and the house is the object. The teacher always answers the students' questions. Who answers the students' questions? It is the teacher. It is the teacher. Ali posted the video online. So if we want to divide this sentence, we will say that Ali is the subject, posted is the verb, and the video is the object. So who posted the video? It is Ali. But the thing is different in the passive voice. لكن الموضوع بيختلف بالpassive voice اللي هي جمل المبني للمجهول. When we hide the subject or the doer of the verb. لما احنا بنخبي السبجكت الفاعل أو الشخص اللي قام بالverb. So we use the passive voice for different purposes لأغراض أو أهداف مختلفة. Sometimes maybe the subject is not important. It is not important. Or that we want to focus on the action itself. أو ممكن إنه إحنا بنكون بدنا نركز على الحدث اللي صار أكثر من إنه نركز على who did it، على الشخص اللي قام فيه. So in the passive voice, it tells us what is done to someone. So بجمل الباسيف المبني للمجهول, he tells us what was done to something. شو اللي صار بشيء معين، شو الحدث اللي تم على شيء معين. لكن he didn't tell us who do it or who did it. لكن ما بيخبرنا مين اللي قام فيه. So the subject is being acted upon. Maybe the subject is not important. He wanted us to focus on the action itself. بده يعني نركز على الحدث اللي صار. We don't know. So the passive sentence starts with the object, تبدأ بالobject, then the verb that we will learn how to write it, and then the subject هو يعني اختياري, to write it or not, but we're gonna learn how to write it also. So here we said Anna painted the house. We said that Anna is the subject, painted is the verb, and the house is the object. Here we will put the house اللي هو object at the beginning of the sentence. Then we change here the verb was painted by Anna. By Anna. The same thing happened to the second sentence. The object was the student's question. The student's questions. So we put it first, the student's questions, then the verb, answers, and then by the teacher اللي هي the subject. For the third one, Ali posted the video online. So the video is the object. We will put it first. Then the verb posted, we're gonna learn how to change it into was posted. And then by Ali. By Ali اللي هو the subject.